guys, welcome back to my channel and Merry Christmas. So today we'll be making a ham. I was assigned to make a ham for a Christmas party and I'm very pressed for time, so I'm just going to do it in my Instant Pot. It's only going to take 16 minutes and some time for natural release. But yeah, basically I just press the button and then while I'm waiting I'll be making the glaze, which only requires 4 ingredients. Super easy, no fuss. I love this method because traditionally if you use the oven to warm up your ham, you can easily dry out your ham, and also I find it very salty, so I don't like that. So with this method, it forces all the excess sodium out, and it also guarantees that it stays moist, so it's nice. Anyway, let's get started. First, I'm gonna grab my ham from the outdoor fridge. It's currently 2 degrees outside and my fridge is completely full, so that's why I put it outside. And then you're going to add about 1 inch of water into your inner pot and a steaming rack, and then add your ham in it. Ooh, it's too big. Then we close the lid. Alright guys, now we have to do some math. The formula is to pressure cook on high for 2 minutes per pound. My ham is 7.6 pounds times 2, so we'll get 15.2 minutes, and I'll round it up to 16 minutes. Then we need some pineapple juice. Mind you, the following recipe I've doubled the amount at the very end, realizing that it wasn't enough. But of course you can adjust it to whatever amount you need. Here I have 1.5 cup of liquid. And in a pot over medium-low heat, we're going to heat up the pineapple juice. Then add 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Mix well. Then add 3 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, or 1 tablespoon, same thing. Then add our cornstarch slurry to thicken up the sauce. See, it has thickened up already, but I want it to be a little bit thicker, so I'm going to add more cornstarch slurry. In total, I have about 1/3 cup of cornstarch and just enough of liquid to thin it out. We don't want to add the cornstarch directly to the sauce, otherwise clumps will form. And now just mix well. It's pretty thick now. It's like a gravy kind of consistency. So it's done now. The float valve is like completely down now, so we can open it. All the pressure is like completely released, but we will just wait 30 more minutes to ensure that it's completely warmed up. It's like 30 minutes now, which means we can open the lid. Oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna jab it to see if it's ready. It's 125. Oh, it's going up. Nice. It's warmed up nicely. Okay, got it. Shh, shh. There, nice. It's ready. See? Super easy. And the formula for cooking ham, it depends how much your ham weighs. For every pound, you times it by 2 minutes. So this ham is 7.6 pounds, times it by 2, I rounded it up, I made it to 16 minutes. And let it naturally release for 30 minutes. So if the pin dropped before 30 minutes, just let it sit inside the Instant Pot for 30 minutes before you open the lid. We just want to make sure that it's completely warmed up. Yeah, and now I'm just going to like lug the whole Instant Pot to my friend's place because it's easier, it's going to keep warm, it's not going to leak, and I'm just going to like cut it up when I get there. If you're interested, stick around and you'll see how I prepare the rest of the ham there, and you'll also see all the amazing food there. It's going to be so good. So if you don't mind, I'm going to go and yeah, finish off with the ham, and I'm going to go pig out there. Stick around if you're interested. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Hard left.
Good job.
Nice.
That's pretty good.
Very
job.
Thank you.